Hi everyone, it's Marilyn here. I'm going to show you the December limited edition kit by my creative scrapbook. This month is featuring Sweet Peppermint Collection by Prima Marketing, also Authentic and Blue Fern Studio products. The kit comes with this paper pad. This is 12 by 12 and it is of the Sweet Peppermint collections. Look, this paper is so pretty with Santa. You get 3 pattern papers of each design and all the papers are double-sided. Look, this one with the cards, so nice. And in the back the snowflakes. And one thing that I love about this collection is that are not the traditional Christmas color. You get green mint, you get pink, you get yellow, and the mix of the vintage look, the vintage design with this soft color. It is so pretty. It also has this sticker paper with different designs and words that you can use as title. Also you get these alphabet stickers paper with a different paper design but in alpha stickers. And finally you get this paper. This is a sturdy paper with 12 cards that you can cut out and make some projects. You get 2 paper from Authentic. This is from the Christmas collections, but both paper are really beautiful. Look at this one too. Both are so beautiful. And last but not least, you get 1 paper from the new vintage Christmas 2 from Blue Fern Studio. You get this paper. It's so pretty too. Beautiful. Okay, from Blue Fern Studio you get in the kit this chipboard. It is snow medley chipboard from Blue Fern Studio. It's pretty. And you get this alpha from American Craft. I love the gold foil of this alphabet. It is so pretty too. You get let me show you. Oh, this is a chipboard and more. This is a 131 pieces. And I'm going to open the package because I want to show you all the products that it's included in this package. Let me show you. Okay, you get sequins, green mint sequins. Yummy. You also has this tiny bottle filled with glitter and a little tree inside and a like a pinta shells trinket, and you will get a lot of chipboard with different designs, and also has a gold foil in some of the chipboards that go perfect with the alphas and all the other things in this kit. It's a yummy kit. Okay, I'm going to show you the flower. This kit comes with 3 packages of Prima flowers. You get this one from the same collection, the Sweet Peppermint collection. You get 2 packages, this one and this one. So pretty. The colors go perfect with the papers. And also you get these flowers are gorgeous. And this red flower from Prima too. So you get 3 packages of flowers. Okay, let me move everything. You get these roses in ivory and red color. You get 6 of each color, 6 roses. And finally you get all these trimmings, ribbons. This is a gold sequin trimming, and also you will have this silver pearl trimming, and ribbons in different colors, and coral, green and red. And also you will get organza ribbon in color white, and a piece of tulle, green mint tulle. You see the green mint. And finally gold cord or gold trimming. And this is all you get in your December limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. Please check the box below. I will let you the link to get this kit, okay? I will let the link in the box below, okay? See you. Bye.